Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from storyplanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book Beyond Words, a creation by Carl Safina. Beyond Words, 2015, explores how animals think, feel, and learn through their complex societies, showcasing their capacity for genuine emotions and cognitive abilities. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Carl Safina is the endowed chair for Nature and Humanity at Stony Brook University, works at the Alan Alda Center for Communication Science, and has written for National Geographic and the New York Times. He also hosts a PBS series. With 10 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on storyplanet.net. To start, experience a new perspective by observing animals differently. The text discusses the relationship between humans and animals, emphasizing the importance of understanding animals as unique beings with thoughts and feelings. Research indicates that animals can think, feel, and communicate in complex ways. Key topics covered include the evolution of wolves into dogs, chimp mating behaviors, and communication among killer whales. Key idea number 1. Humans have some similarities with animals, but their minds are fundamentally distinct. The text discusses how anthropomorphism and anthropocentrism hinder our understanding of animals' emotions and thoughts. Scientists are cautioned against attributing human characteristics to animals. It emphasizes the importance of acknowledging animals' unique minds while recognizing differences between species. The text highlights common goals and shared roots between humans and animals, refuting the notion that animals cannot think or feel. Key idea number 2. Understanding animal thoughts and emotions is challenging for science due to limitations in experiments and theories. Theory of mind is the ability to understand what others may be thinking and respond accordingly. An experiment with chimpanzees in 1978 seemed to suggest they lack this ability, but evidence from chimp behavior in the wild contradicts this. Chimps can manipulate alpha males by anticipating their responses. Other experiments, like the mirror test for self-awareness, have limitations in truly understanding animal cognition. Brain structure comparisons between species do not necessarily indicate intelligence levels. Key idea number 3. Understanding animals and our relationships with them hinges on the concept of domestication. Dogs domesticated themselves by adapting to human settlements for food. Selective breeding was not initially involved. This process led to a transformation in behavior, appearance, and genetics. Similar selective breeding has been observed in bonobos for friendliness. Such processes explain animal behavior despite assumptions about intelligence, like the loyalty of dogs toward those who provide food. Key idea number 4. Brains of mammals are similar to humans. Animals share similar brain structures and hormones with humans, allowing them to feel and think similarly. Various species demonstrate cognition, with elephants learning from observation and taste. Brain size is not necessarily indicative of intelligence. Similarity to the human brain is a better measure. Larger brains are crucial for social interactions, like those seen in primates, elephants, whales, and dolphins, which exhibit complex behaviors, suggesting they think and feel akin to humans. Key idea number 5. Elephants live in social groups, displaying cooperation and care for one another. Elephants have the complex society where they organize in groups, led by a matriarch who passes knowledge. They understand family relationships and cooperate, showing compassion by helping injured members. Their brains are adaptable and develop as they grow. Their society developed through the process of rearing offspring, with males experiencing aggressive periods and females having limited mating opportunities. Young males leave matriarchal families to avoid disrupting harmony. Key idea number 6. Human actions have influenced the consciousness of animals. Orcas and elephants have faced threats from human hunters, impacting their populations. Killer whales were hunted for competition with fishermen and to stock aquariums, leading to a decline. African elephants have been targeted by ivory poachers, causing a drastic decrease in their numbers. Both species have adapted unique responses to human threats, such as elephants showing fear towards Maasai tribespeople. Despite these challenges, neither elephants nor killer whales commonly exhibit hatred towards humans. In fact, killer whales have been known to aid and protect humans in need. Key idea number 7. Wolves have complex social structures and exhibit generosity. Elephants and wolves demonstrate intelligence and teamwork. Wolves, led by an alpha pair, rely on each pack member for hunting larger prey like elk. Cooperation is vital, with different wolves having specific roles based on abilities. Alphas need to be confident but not overly aggressive to maintain unity in the pack, as excessive dominance can lead to rebellion. Wolves like 21 can display generosity and social awareness, maintaining status without unnecessary aggression towards rivals. Key idea number 8. Wolves are diverse creatures, yet have a historical reputation for being labeled as evil. Animals have individual personalities that are often overlooked in studies. This is evident in the story of the Wolf 06, whose leadership made her pack strong. Animals like ravens can recognize and respond to individuals, showing awareness beyond their species. However, animals, particularly wolves, have been negatively impacted by human prejudice and misconceptions, such as being depicted as symbols of evil in literature. Indigenous peoples often have a more respectful and harmonious relationship with wild animals compared to settlers. Key idea number 9. Killer whales have a complex society with divisions. Killer whales are characterized by complex social structures led by matriarchs who are crucial for survival. These whales use distinct calls for communication and form communities based on shared calls. Matriarchs, even after menopause, play a vital role in the survival of young whales. Killer whales exhibit unique behaviors such as enjoying sex and showing differences in diet and social interactions, suggesting they may be different species despite being classified as one. Key idea number 10. Killer whales and other animals communicate in complex ways. Killer whales communicate through sound that travels far in water, beyond human hearing range. Visual perception also varies among species, with some like blind American Daniel Kish using sound for seeing. Animals like elephants communicate through vibrations and even learn human languages, such as dolphins in Hawaii, distinguishing syntactical differences. Animal communication extends beyond words to include vibrations, sense, and the ability to interpret human languages, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability. In conclusion, animals have complex mental capacities and emotions. Avoid judging them based on human experiences. Many abilities once thought to be unique to humans exist in animals too, like teaching young ones as shown by cats and killer whales. Give animals more credit and pay attention to notice their similarities to us. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.